check out this little bitty hire. I wonder what the problem is. Dang. Stop it. Look at it moving. These motors are so expensive. Yeah, I broke it. I broke it. You know they want $200 for this motor, but we gonna put a universal one in there for 20. Alright, so all we gotta do is get this baby out, take these two Phillips off, and then this back wall comes out. This thing's pretty gross, but these are the em999 universal motors, and we'll have to break these little wings off, and sometimes you got to change the rotation. Let's see. Let's do it. There's a big old piece of styrofoam behind this plastic panel, so if it's froze up, you might have to let it thaw out a little bit to get it out. Look at that baby go. It's got a little shimmy to it. It's got a little shake. I don't even know how it's running. Goodness gracious. All right, so you're definitely gonna wanna unplug it now. Take your blade off. Take these Phillipses out. One. I can't believe the price that they want for this cheap plastic motor. Oh yeah, I forgot zip ties. Let me just cut this baby. Sorry y'all, this might be a long one. It's not that it's hard to do, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but there's just a lot of steps involved with changing the rotation and all that stuff, and just wanted to show it. Here I'm just cutting this little black sheathing protective coating on the wires back to expose them. $9.99 comes with these wire nuts and all kind of little mounting crap, but you won't really need it. So what I like to do is put the blade on and make sure that it's going the right direction. So let's do that. Be careful. That's going the wrong direction. Go that way. Yep, we're gonna have to change rotation. All right, so get this old junk motor out of here. Take this little doohickey and break it. All right, let's get this crap out of here. Don't need this stuff. All right, so we gotta take and flip this armature. This isn't really hard. You're just taking the armature and putting it on the other side so it points out the other way. But the screws are really tiny. Take this baby. Oh. And this. Put it. Get out of here, bug. Get out of here. Doing something. All right. Go in the proper direction. Look at these little tiny things. Hard for me to deal with. Sorry this is kind of a long drawn out one, but I appreciate y'all watching, and like and subscribe to the channel. We're going on 1,000, baby. Trust me, it's worth doing this for a $20 motor than a $200 piece of junk plastic one. Now we should be going counterclockwise. There we go. Yep. Alright. we gotta shorten our blade. Watch your eyeballs. Pow. Oh man, it went in there. I'll get it out. There we go. That's it. Okay. Now we use our little rubber doohickey. Here. And our other little rubber doohickey. Here. And we put our thing in the back there. It's gonna squeeze it in. Sometimes I don't know what to say here, but you just gotta put the thing in the thing and put the doohickey on the doohickey and like and subscribe, baby. Alright. Now we're gonna have to secure this baby back. So there's no polarity or anything, just 1 to 1 and 1 to the other. And here I'm just stripping them back and just gonna wire nut them, tape them, and secure them to the side. All right, 1 down, 1 to go. You don't necessarily have to zip tie it. You could kind of just stuff it to the side. It ain't going nowhere, but you just don't want it to get the wires to get up into the blade and stop it or make noise. That's how it's supposed to run. I ain't sticking my finger in there. What about you? Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I'm inside a tiny refrigerator. It's gross. So yeah, these little 10 cubic foot refrigerators, if you look this motor up, it is $200 something. Nah. We'll put a regular motor in there. You just got to go through a little pain. If that helps some, give me a like and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate everybody's support.